Well, Google's response on the new IT laws have also come in, where the Google CEO says that we are committed to comply with local laws. Sundar Pichai have said that we have clear transparency reports. We are clear about the values of a free and open internet. Google says that the company respects the legislative processes. Okay, so there are now multiple responses coming in. First, it was WhatsApp that came in with its response on the new IT rules, asking for an extension. Then Twitter also released a statement asking for an extension to appoint the nodal officers and the redressal officers in India. Finally, we have a response coming from Google as well, saying they respect the new legislative processes and also saying that they are committed to comply with the local laws. So Sundar Pichai making the statement saying we have clear transparency reports, we are clear about the values of a free and open internet. In its latest tweet, IT Minister has attempted to allay privacy-related concerns with regard to traceability clause. The government says it fully recognizes and respects the right to privacy. Ordinary users of WhatsApp have nothing to fear about the new rules. The obligation to reveal the first originator of an offensive message already in circulation relates only to few cases, that too when other less intrusive measures are not effective. So in a way, saying and rather assuring that it is not as if the government plans to call for the originator of a message in each and every case. It will be only done in certain cases where there is a threat to the national security or sovereignty and there is some objectionable content to that effect. Let me go across to Ayushman joining us on the phone line. Ayushman, what exactly has the IT Minister said in its defense, saying that they are not trying in any way to hurt right to privacy?
Well, Afrida, the IT Minister has clearly hinted towards the fact that the new rules, which are currently being discussed and being criticized from the social media companies, require the social media companies to set up an Indian-based grievance redressal officer, compliance officer, and a nodal officer, so that millions of users who have a grievance can have a forum to put their redressal. Now, government of the day, Ravi Shankar Prasad says that government recognizes and respects right of privacy, but the obligation to reveal the first originator of an offensive message already in circulation is only for relating to sovereignty, integrity, and security of India, will be done only when nothing other than intrusive measures are not effective. So that is something that the government has said in its defense, where WhatsApp has gone to the High Court and has said that they can't break the end-to-end encryption and go and see anyone's message.
All right. So that is to address those concerns and fears around whether there's an intrusion into the right to privacy of an individual, where the government says this is going to be the least intrusive as possible and only related to security concerns or concerns of certain objectionable content where the originator of the message might be sought. Thanks for joining us, Ayushman, with the latest inputs. Let's take a short break. News and updates continue on the other side. Stay with us.